Emergency workers are carrying out critical rescue missions across a large portion of Central America.
Se quedó al otro lado.
When disaster strikes. So this week I'm supposed to be bringing you a good bit of the Azura Peninsula, which is that little toe that Panama has at the bottom on the south coast. I was supposed to go to Santa Catalina, get something with a sustainable farm. For the weekend I was supposed to go to Playa Banao, get some surfing, get Louise out there trying to get up on the board. It was gearing up to be a nice bright sunshiny week with great waves and great friends, and then yeah, the hurricane hit. It didn't hit Panama directly, but it passed close enough to affect and effect all the rivers and streams and so on. We got a lot of rain. For the entire week, I had not seen a glimpse of sunlight, or the sun, or blue sky, or anything like that for the entire week. Panama is not really known to be on what you call the hurricane belt in the Caribbean. It's usually pretty safe and removed from that. But this particular hurricane came pretty low and pretty close to the northern border of Panama. The outer bands sent so much rain that it caused major flooding, major loss of crops, major roads to be severed from the rest of the country, including the one going to Bocas del Toro. So I'm not even too sure what's happening with that revisit that I'm supposed to do. So a lot of people were put out of their homes. A church got bulldozed by the river. As far as I heard, 2 kids died. Serious stuff. So I know I would have introduced to you my friend Luis from Panama City in past vlogs.
Hey people.
Well, he is supposed to be in Playa Banao with me all now, learning to surf, having a grand time, but instead he is coming to Chiriqui to help with the relief efforts that are happening here. He is part of a group called Club Activo, I believe. They are really involved in just doing a lot of charitable events, and it's something that I love to be part of. His club is coming up to Chiriqui to be part of some of the relief efforts. I have been sitting all week waiting for the opportunity to go help, and today is that day. So I'm going to join forces with Luis and his club to be able to do this. The funny thing is, I'm no stranger to going on missions of this type, where back in Trinidad, every rainy season there are usually major floods that happen in particular flood prone areas, and I'm usually part of some off-road group or two that will get very involved in the relief efforts as part of being charitable in that sense. So getting on this mission makes me feel like I'm back home and I'm on the way to lend a hand in whatever relief effort that I can possibly offer, and it feels good. Not to mention that just on social media and so on, I've seen huge efforts from the officials, like springing into action when everything went down, and it's been quite remarkable. It just goes to show the warmth and the love and the care that Panamanians have for each other on a grand scale, you know, and it's something I really admire about them here. Yeah, it feels good to be part of that. So I just met up with Luis, and the plan is to meet him by a friend who has supplies that we can load up in the trucks, and then we can head up to Sarapunta to start, you know, distributing things. So here goes. Alright, we all loaded up. As you can see in the back there, we are full. Products below, and as in food products and clothing above. Alright folks, so we at the
Municipio.
the municipal of David. Well, it's Luis again.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And we are here with the Activo, Club Activo.
2030.
Let us know a little bit about what's happening today.
Okay, basically because of all the destruction that we had in Panama on the area of Chiriqui, Boquete, and Cerro Punta, what we did, Club Activo in the 30 is a club that works all over Panama. So all the ones that are in the city, we got together and we started doing like donations. We just bring it here in a big truck to Chiriqui, and now we're gonna start. Well, we're gonna drop it here at the municipio, and then tomorrow we're gonna take them to all the affected areas. Today we're just gonna like drop everything, and then tomorrow we're gonna
head up there. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna.
Yeah, they're doing great things for the relief efforts for the Cerro Punta volcan area that was affected. So
Because of the Hurricane Iota.
so let's see what they're doing. Okay, so signing off for now. Tomorrow it's a different type of adventure, but it is going to aid a lot of people that need it. So I am saying goodnight for now, and then tomorrow is another day. Morning everyone, it's Cerro Punta time. Let's get this going. Okay, so this might be slightly worse than I even or could possibly imagine. Even though I saw all those images, I thought that was while it was happening, and by now it would look like it's not that bad. It's pretty bad, and we haven't seen the half of it yet. We're still kind of stuck in traffic, as you'd see behind me. It's going nowhere very fast, just to be able to cross where the river came into the road, and they have big excavators and so on removing the rubble and the debris for 2 lanes of traffic to be able to pass. So we're patiently waiting to be able to get across to go deliver some more stuff. We still have a bunch of products in the one vehicle that they're allowed to get us across. It's pretty tough, and I mean, we are yet to see the people that were affected by it. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so from what I understand, what you're seeing behind me is a whole bunch of earth moving with the water. So there's not just a river, actually that was a park back there. You'll see in the drone footage there's like a little children's park. I think earth as thick as 2 to 3 feet was just moving across this entire street, and well, it wrecked this, what's supposed to be a sporting arena here. It just wrecked this. And yeah, from what I understand, this entire street, I mean, it's clear now. They've been able to, over the couple of days, kind of clear it out. But from all this, like, this entire road is at least a foot thick of earth just moving down this entire road. It's a miracle that the road access wasn't cut off right there. And yeah, thankfully, everybody in Cerro Punta could still get out and get back in. But this is wild to see that much earth moving, especially in the videos when it was actually happening on social media. What a trip. This place just properly blew my mind. I cannot process what I'm looking at, and I cannot believe I haven't been here since I've been to Panama. On another day, when we're not mission oriented like this, I will want to come back here and film this place do it proper justice, because it's unbelievable, unreal. I just can't right now. It's my mind is not processing it properly. So yeah, can't wait to get back to Cerro Punta to really show you all what this place is made of. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay folks, it's the following day, and I realized I didn't close off the vlog. We had a long drive back to Boquete, where those roads were absolutely horrid with dumping rain, fog as thick as probably, like, I felt like I had no more than 5% visibility, and yeah, dark. Really dark at night, so no street lights. It was rough. It was like an hour and a half driving of those conditions. So I just got in, collapsed, and here we are now. So thank you for coming along and seeing our efforts in this entire thing. I am hoping to go back up today to see what more help can be done and what more I can do. Like, subscribe, share, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.